I'm on my way. Guess what? I don't even know if you can see me. I've got my camera like the tripod lifted up and let me see. Let me check. Not the tripod's not lifted up. All right. Go this way a little bit. All right. Yeah, hey. I said I'd be back. And it only took me a couple of days and not a couple of months. I'm having a really good day today. And I thought, well, this is a perfect day to do this, right? Yeah, I can't see what I'm filming, so, because I didn't want everything to be flipped around backwards, because that's what happens sometimes if you look at what you're filming. If you, never mind, you know what I mean. Everybody's got, almost everybody does it on their phone. I'm not going to say everybody. I kind of wanted you to get a look at my desk. It's the desk that time forgot, because during the dark days, I was just putting stuff on top of my desk. I would bring stuff in here and I'd just lay it down. And I haven't gotten to purging my craft room again. Last time I did a mini purge, Chelsea at Sugar Ray Crafts, she got a big box. Anyway, you can see I've got stuff in bags. This is where I went to on the Parkersburg trip. The Parkersburg trip with my daughter took place New Year's Eve. So, it's almost 2 hours over there and back. Anyway, I have all kinds of stuff laying here on my desk. My cats got into, after I cleaned off here's cat hair, it's a cat fuzz. After I cleaned off the stuff that was on top of everything. Oh, look, even my glue separated. That's how long it's been here. I needed to use my my art glitter glue. I couldn't even get it out of the thing. I had to take the top off of it and clean a big glob of stuff. Even had the pin in it, and then it still went ranky on me. I don't know if that's going to come back to life or not. I don't know. It's liquid. I didn't know it did that. Oh shoot, I have another bottle of it. I hope this bottle didn't do it. Anyway. Alright, when I took all the stuff off of the table, the cats started getting in here, and I would find little pieces of, you know, the Land That Time Forgot stuff. But this is from Halloween. Probably Halloween last year. And, you know, I keep it there so I can use the little bits on it. And they had stuff, they brought it into the kitchen. They were having the time of their life. This one's got teeth marks in it, a little piece of gold. Okay, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to start with what I did. Pay no attention at all. I'm going to start with what I got. Oh, do I still have, maybe I still have the receipt laying on my desk. I do. Only One Life Creations. Oh, that's not too bad. I ordered it September 25th. It was for Halloween. I had watched a few videos. Every now and then I would watch a video on YouTube, and I saw somebody using the Ideology label tape Halloween. And there's like there's two of them in there. So I ordered 2 rolls of it. It was, she was having a sale. It was $3.75 each roll. So I don't know how much the sale, $4.99 was her regular price for this, so I ordered 2 of them. So I think I'm set for probably about 17 years. And I got, this was the Tim Holtz Ideology sticker, cat hair. I knew this was going to be fun. I was hoping it was going to be fun. Oh, allergies. Yeah, now I think I'm allergic to cats. Cool. Alrighty. This is the sticker book Curiosities. It's got 357 stickers in it, and it's get over this. It has, now I had the Halloween Ideology, just the words. Oh, hey, I can get up here and do this. Oh, there we go. I had just the words, but let's see. There's 3, and I think all the pages are different. 3? Is there 3? 4? 4 pages, and they're all different too. And then those are stickers. I don't know if you can see that those are stickers, and they're like, well, they are kind of creepy people. Oh, look down here. I never even noticed that. There's little masks. Yeah, see, I'm showing Halloween stuff. And this is like a sticker all the way across. I don't know if you could see how that's on the page. These are, yeah, those are all the way across. Okay. And what are those? I don't know. But those are just like that. I don't know if you can see those. And then letters. I don't know what you could spell out there, but that was $4.50. And then I went through her dies where she had, and this was a recollection stamp set. I don't know how she sells recollection. I guess she buys it cheap and then tries to resell it. This was regularly $9.99. I don't know if that was the regular price from Michael's or not. I got it for $1, and I got it for those dies. I thought those were a pretty cool die. I don't know how wide that is. And this one right here, I liked that one too. It's buckles. These are buckles. This is, I think you're supposed to, well, you can use it as a buckle, and then that says important stuff. I guess you can fold it in half and use it as a label, and then there's a stamp for that. And it's pretty cool. That says this week. I don't know what that says. Look at this, notes. I don't know what that says. But $1, and I like those dies. Okay, that was like I said, September. I was at Dollar Tree, and they had their, I'm sure everybody has these. I was kind of wondering, and then I said, no, I couldn't use these as cat toys. Carrots, jute carrots, and I don't need these. I can promise you that I do not need these, but they're stickers. They're supposed to be all stickers anyway. I don't know if they're all stickers or not. I think the backs came off some of them. It's like, okie dokie, but they're just little felt stickers. But I did like these. I did like those little books that they had. Hugs and Kisses, and it XOXO Express, and it's got the chucks that everybody likes. I don't know if I'm showing that or not. Okay, and then I went the other day to Dollar Tree again, and I picked these up for no apparent reason whatsoever. I don't know why I want them. Oh, anybody notice my hair? I got it really cut this time. I mean, I got it cut where she did the clippers up the back, and it's like, and I love it. It's like I felt kind of self-conscious about it at first, and I said, I like it. What the hell do I care if anybody else likes it, or if they even think it's creepy, or if they think I'm gay? I don't really give a flip. Anyway, this sticker, all one thing. I think. I don't know. Yeah, like I said, I liked it. And I got this book $1. It's called Cat Flap. And the cat, see the cat on the front of the book right here? Well, you turn it around and the back end of it's hanging out the back. And it says, this is a quote from the book, and I did read the first few pages. It says, when she awoke as a cat, Dolores Tremaine saw no immediate advantage in having 4 paws instead of 2 arms and 2 legs. So apparently the lady turns into a cat or dreams she's a cat or whatever. Okay, what now? Oh, I wanted to show you this because I've had it on my desk for a while. This was made a very long time ago by Robin at Robin's Feathered Nest. And it's a really cool little thing. It's a photo thing. Photo, I know. But she made it for my my fundraiser whenever I was doing breast cancer awareness fundraisers, and it never sold. Sorry, Robin. It might be my gain or somebody else's. I may give it away. But I can't keep that up. It's just for photos. It's a double photo album thing. Oh, double photo album thing. And then that comes up and that keeps them closed. So I actually may, I might give that away if that's okay with Robin. I don't know. I haven't watched any videos. I don't know if Robin's still making videos or not. But I may do a little giveaway on that. Stay tuned. Yeah. In 2 years, I'll come back and let you know if I'm doing a giveaway. Alrighty. Okay, let's see. We went to Michael's first, and I told you Michael's did not really have any good sales. I did find a couple things on clearance. It's still in the bag. I haven't even taken it out of the bag. Now, how unexcited does somebody have to be to not even take this stuff out of the bags? And it's been since New Year's Eve. What's that, 2 weeks, almost 2.5 weeks? Oh, okay. I did find these on clearance, and I went ahead and bought them because I thought, well, those are pretty cute. All right, 50 cents. They're Darice, but Darice or Darius, however you want to pronounce it. Now, this one is snowflakes. 50 cents. Yeah, that was Michael's. It was a big Michael's, but they were trying to be Hobby Lobby, and they were failing miserably at it. And then the anchors, that was $1. There are a couple people on here, I guess that's the pattern it makes. A couple people on that watch me that like anchors, but my daughter's former Navy. She's retired Navy, so I don't know, I might have to keep that one. And then this one is, it's houses. It took me a while. Whenever I was looking at it, I said, I think it's houses. And it is, it's houses. And that was $1. I go, 2 each, $1, and one was 50 cents. And, oh, strike that. There was 2 of them for 50 cents, and I got one for a quarter. I don't know which one. Let me see. 3877. The Christmas one, it was a quarter. And the other 2 were 50 cents instead of $1. So, strike that. And let's see, what else did I get? Oh yeah, this. Tim Holtz. For some reason, I really like these words. And this was the big chat. I really want the snarky, and the small one, small snarky. I can find it, but now it's like out of print or something, and it's really expensive. But it's big. These are, see, you can see how big it is with my fingernail. But they're big. And you usually get white and black. Yeah, there you go. And you can make sentences or just, you know, like there's hope and home, memories, you know. So I did like that. And that was regular price, I think. Yeah, $5.49. And then when this was my gift certificate for my husband, which I still had some left. I still have $21.65. No, I have $28.35 left on my card balance. So, and did you hear the scratching? One of my cats had to come in poop. Oh man, I got my orange spray. I keep it back here for just such emergencies as the cat needing to take a dump while I'm talking. You know, okay. Here we go. Not on here. Don't do this. Don't video and make a video for YouTube for how long? Except for the other day. And now I have to spray citrus, which this stuff is great. Pure orange. Yeah. Okay. Because I'm telling you what, you know, that was an award winner. Okay. $13.49. Recollections brand 2-inch. I haven't even taken out my 2-inch oval. And I need to check this thing and see if it's still recording. Like I said, this is just like old times. Okay, it is. Yeah. Oh man, I'm at 14 minutes. I better get my move on. But I like the little oval without having. I don't even have oval dies. I have oval dies that have the little things around scallop. All right, let's move on to Hobby Lobby, which has cat hair in it. I got what is this? It's cream color cardstock, ivory cardstock, and that was. I did have it. Cardstock was, I guess, I don't know, $2.99. $2.99 for the paper. And then I found this over. These are really cute. I paid regular price for these, $2.99, but I found these. There we go. They're wood. They're conversation hearts, but they're wood. And I thought, that is so cool. So I went ahead and paid full price for those. And the rest of this stuff was so cheap. Like 3 of them for 60 cents. Another one for 60 cents. 2 for 70. 4 for 60. And it was these. These were, I think these were like 60 cents. Those are the paper flower, the paper poinsettias. Their Christmas was 80% off, so I got a lot of the poinsettia. I don't even know how a lot of the poinsettias, and I got some. I know I'm going to regret that glitter, but it was they're like little clusters, glitter clusters of holly. This one was really cool. I like that one. Yeah, and then candy canes. So that was Hobby Lobby that day, and then we stopped at a Joann's. It wasn't really that great. I don't think I'll be going back. And this was little fabric quarters, and I got this. I thought this was cute. I said something about maybe making a mask, but I'm not going to make a mask. I wear the disposable mask, just playing for keeps. But I thought that they were fun. Skulls with pompadour hairdo, and then the bees, because it actually has the little honeycomb pattern in the back. It looked really cute. All right, well that's it. You know, mess central, and it's so dusty back here. And I actually wasn't using my Big Shot so much that I actually covered it up with an old dish towel because it was getting so dusty. All right, that's it. Nothing else to show you, I don't think. I think I showed you everything that got. Oh, whenever I was cleaning out something, I found this. It's really dusty now. It's ouch. It holds your straight pins when you're sewing. I need to put that in my box where I keep my thread. I jabbed myself with a straight pin. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. Sorry it's so long. Like I said, trying to be upbeat today. I made some, had this really simple recipe for beer bread that my husband had around for years, and I just now, because I didn't bake before, but now I bake. It was so incredibly simple. 3 cups of self-rising flour, a tablespoon of sugar, and 1 can of warm beer. You can write that down. Bake it at 350 for 25 minutes. Take it out and dump 1 stick of melted butter over the top. Put it back in the oven, same temperature for 25 more minutes. Take it out. You will not regret that I just told you that. That is the best stuff. But I use the salted butter. You could use the unsalted butter, but the salted butter just makes it, you know. I know it raises your blood pressure, but my gosh, it makes your mouth so happy. All right, well, I will, I'll try to get back on here later. I can't make any promises, but I did want to share that with you. Thank you, everybody, for sticking with me, and I hope you have a really good day, all right? Because I'm having a good day today. All right, bye. Oop, gotta get up. And off.